Are you currently having the problem on your TikTok that you're getting like an error message where it says that you have maximum attempts reached basically on your TikTok account and you're not able to log into your account right now? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you could potentially fix this issue. At least this worked for me, and I hope that this will work for you as well. And the first step is going to be for you to actually do this on your mobile and not on your computer, because I myself did this on my phone, and I think that this right now only works on your phone basically. So what you're going to do is to actually check what kind of phone you have. Firstly, I have an iPhone and it works both on iPhone or Android, by the way. But if you have an iPhone, then you need to go into your App Store, and if you have an Android, go into your Google Play Store. It's the exact same thing that you're going to do basically, and it's just going to be different kind of like app stores basically. And as you can see, I'm now taken to my App Store. So now I'm just going to click on search, and here I'm going to search like this. Sorry, not Instagram. I'm going to search for TikTok, of course. Sorry for that. Search for TikTok, and I'm going to scroll down and click on it right here. So basically find TikTok on your App Store or on your Google Play Store, and then in here you will be able to see like a button. As you can see, for some of you it might say open, or for other like me, for example, it says update. So click on the update button, and just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to update. And yeah, of course, now I have to also log into my account. I haven't done so already. So if you have logged into your account, you will be able to just automatically update your app basically. So after you have updated it, then what will happen is that you can go back to your TikTok and try again. And hopefully after this, the problem will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.